Hi everybody. So let me make another demo here. It's a Christmas ball. Yeah, so probably silver one. Yeah, so some people asked me about how to suggest a reflective surface. Yeah, so I'm going to make a quick demo. Yeah, so it's important to mark all darks, yeah, that are reflecting in the Christmas ball. Yeah, so anyway, so darks. I'm looking at a real ball in front of me here. Yeah, so yeah, and then as this is a reflective surface, yeah, so we needed to suggest highlights. I can see some highlights here. Yeah, some highlights here. Yeah, so darks here. Yeah, so to suggest a silver colors, yeah, it's like it's some sort of colorful gray, yeah, but it's going to reflect everything that is around the Christmas ball. Yeah, so I like to mix a lot of blue and brown, so I have colorful grays, yeah, like French ultramarine, a little bit of French ultramarine, a little bit of burnt umber, yeah. Then I can start adding my darks here. Yeah, so as I make this movement, I try to suggest a reflective surface. Yeah, so basically this is a mixing of blue and brown. Okay. I can add a little bit of ultramarine violet. Yeah, so. And I'm always suggesting the sphere shape, yeah, so. And also here it's not totally white, yeah. There are some shades of gray here, yeah. It's important to make this movement to suggest the sphere shape, yeah. So, darks, yeah, so. More blue, yeah. Remember that it's going to reflect everything that is around, yeah. So, in my opinion, what I see here are some sort of abstract shapes, yeah, abstract shapes that I try to represent here, and all those abstract shapes altogether, they are going to suggest silver ball, hopefully, yeah. It's like I can see darks here. You see, I'm leaving almost the white of the paper here. Remember, it's a reflective surface. We can see many highlights, yeah. And let's keep on adding all this. Sometimes more blue, sometimes more ultramarine violet, and less brown. But basically, it's a mixing of brown and blue. Yeah. You can see. You can look. You can check the video description. There is a list of colors. Yeah. And they are my colors, yeah, so it's like I use different brands. I mentioned that I use different brands, yeah, but you can see some of my colors. Just check the video description, yeah. And then as there is some red here in my room, so this red is going to reflect here a little bit, yeah. So, and then I try to soften because I want highlights, yeah, so. And then, as it's a sphere, I need to suggest a three-dimensional shape, yeah. See, look at my brush stroke. I'm always suggesting the sphere shape, yeah, so I'm trying to, yeah, so, you see. Okay, maybe it's not so regular here, maybe it's a sphere, but it's handmade, yeah? Don't worry, this is not a photo, this is a painting. A painting is supposed to represent something, yeah? So if it's not so straight here or not so regular, it's okay, yeah? It's like... imperfections can be beautiful too, yeah? Or imperfections are beautiful, I think. Yeah, so, or everything is beautiful. So darks, you see, darks here. Then I want to leave some highlights here. Let's add some background, a little bit of background here. Yeah, so just a little bit of green here somewhere. Just a little bit of green. This is undersea green. Yeah, so a little bit like this. Yeah. I want to make a Christmas card. Yeah, so just. And as I want some highlights here, yeah, so I'm going to add a darker background here, yeah, so the highlights are going to pop up, yeah. So let me mix a little bit, yeah, so just want to add some background, yeah, so a little bit like this. So let me just soften, yeah, my background, yeah, so and then I can lift here. I don't want a hard edge here, as it's a sphere, yeah, it's a three-dimensional thing. The edges must be soft, yeah. If it's too hard, it's going to look like something that is outlined. So as I added the green here, so let's add a few touches of green here, yeah, so a little bit, yeah, and I'm respecting this sphere shape, yeah. I'm trying, that's why I'm making this movement, yeah, so so let's come here for real darks, yeah, like, yeah. Then darks here, yeah. I can leave almost the white of the paper here. Yeah. This is a quick demo. I'm going to try to make a gold ball. And I'm going to try to take a photo of the reference, yeah, so yeah, so, and then we can suggest, remember I told you abstract shapes, yeah, something here that is reflecting. So let me soften. So let's talk again about the main colors. It's blue, French ultramarine, a little bit of burnt umber, a little bit of ultramarine violet, and undersea green, yeah. And I'm mixing, basically, I'm mixing all these colors, yeah. So, and then a little bit of burnt sienna here, just to add a warm touch, yeah. So, it's here. Let's repeat it here a little bit. Yeah, so. So, and then I'm going to finish, yeah, so I can see small shapes or tiny shapes here. Remember, abstract shapes, yeah, so if you look at here, so I have so many abstract shapes here, yeah, so just if you want, try to look at a Christmas ball. It must be a gold or silver Christmas ball, and try to see different shapes. You're going to see so many shapes, small and darks and light, and if you keep on adding them, yeah, so we are going to have something that looks like a reflection, yeah. I think it's okay. So I want almost the white of the paper here. Let me lift a little bit here. Let me suggest something here. It's like yeah. So we can suggest this and the darks, a few more darks, yeah, darks, yeah. French ultramarine, yeah. Now the pure pigment, yeah. So and here maybe too much, maybe, I don't know. We can soften, yeah. So remember, if you don't take a risk, yeah, so I'm just telling that it's better to add something and then, okay, it's not so dark, it's not as dark as I wanted, then keep on painting and painting with a lot of water and not enough pigment, not so much pigment, yeah, not so. If you added a lot of water and just a little bit of pigment, your work is going to be too washy. Yeah, so that's why. Okay, I think it's okay. Don't want to make it too complicated. Yeah, so anyway, can just suggest some sort of evergreen here. Yeah, so just to give some holidays feeling. Remember, this is a very quick demo. Yeah, so let me emphasize this light so I can add darks here. Yeah, so good. Yeah, so I think it's okay. Yeah. I'm going to sign here, yeah, so I can sign here. And I can write here, Happy Holidays, or Love You, or Merry Christmas, or Happy New Year, or Enjoy Your Year, or Enjoy Your Life, yeah, so, okay. Thank you very much. Yeah, so I'm going to post another video with a gold ball or a gold thing. Yeah, so hope you have enjoyed it. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. You are always welcome here. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.